Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you the alternator fuse location. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box just next to the driver's left foot. To remove the cover you just want to pull it towards yourself and it will slide out. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 18, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here in the middle of the fuse box. In case this fuse proves to be good, then you will have to test the alternator itself using the multimeter. And also you want to inspect all the wiring and electrical connections before you decide to replace the alternator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.